Blocking distracting or inappropriate websites on your Android phone in Chrome is easier than most people realize. Whether you want to limit distractions, protect your children, or block harmful content, this guide covers everything. Chrome on Android does have some built-in site management features worth exploring before using third-party apps. Open Chrome on your Android phone and tap the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. This opens Chrome's full settings and privacy options. Scroll down to Site Settings. This is where Chrome manages permissions for individual websites. Inside Site Settings, you can block specific permissions like notifications, pop-ups, and location for individual sites. However, Chrome on Android does not have a native full website blocking feature built into its settings. For complete and reliable website blocking on Android Chrome, a dedicated blocking app is the best solution. The most trusted and highly rated website blocking app for Android is BlockSite, available free on Google Play. Open the Google Play Store and search for BlockSite. Look for the app with the shield icon and high rating. Tap Install and allow the app to download. It is a small app that installs quickly on any Android device. Once installed, tap Open to launch BlockSite for the very first time. BlockSite will immediately request accessibility permission. This is essential for the app to function correctly. Accessibility permission allows BlockSite to monitor browser activity and intercept blocked website requests. Tap Enable and you will be taken directly to the Android accessibility settings page automatically. Find BlockSite in the Accessibility Services list and tap its toggle to switch it to the on position. Read the permission description carefully. BlockSite only uses this access to enforce your website blocks. Press the back button to the BlockSite app. You will see the home screen, now fully unlocked. Tap the plus icon on the BlockSite home screen to begin adding your first website to the block list. Type the full URL of the website you want to block into the input field, for example www.facebook.com. You do not need to add every variation of the URL BlockSite. Automatically blocks all versions of the domain. Tap the block button and the website is instantly added to your permanent block list. You will see the blocked website appear in your list with a red icon confirming it is actively blocked. Open Chrome and try visiting the blocked website. BlockSite will intercept it immediately. Instead of loading the website, you will see BlockSite's blocked page. Clean, clear, and impossible to bypass easily. Return to BlockSite and explore the scheduling feature, one of the most powerful tools in the app. Schedule blocking allows you to automatically block websites only during specific hours and days of the week. Set your work hours, for example 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday, and distracting sites are blocked automatically. Outside those hours, the sites become accessible again, giving you balance between productivity and personal time. The scheduling feature is perfect for students who need to study without social media distractions during school hours. BlockSite also allows you to block entire apps, not just websites, from the app section of the interface. Add social media apps, gaming apps, or any distracting application directly to your block list alongside websites. For parents, BlockSite offers adult content filtering that automatically blocks inappropriate websites across all categories. Navigate to BlockSite settings and enable the adult content filter for an extra layer of child protection. Set up a PIN password in BlockSite settings to prevent easy unblocking. This is essential for parental controls. A strong PIN means children cannot simply open BlockSite and remove the blocks you have set up. BlockSite also offers a focus mode, a distraction-free session timer that blocks everything for a set period. Use focus mode during study sessions, work sprints, or any time you need complete uninterrupted concentration. With BlockSite fully configured on your Android phone, distracting and harmful websites are completely under your control. Your productivity, focus, and peace of mind protected every single day.